guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 16. I can't believe we have made it this far. Thank you guys again for hanging out with me for Cookmas. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and do a mashup on some sweets. We're going to mash up some red velvet cake along with some chocolate brownies to make some red velvet swirl brownies. So this is going to be pretty much a red velvet brownie with a cream cheese swirl. So it's going to give it that nice holiday effect with the red and white, and it's going to definitely remind you of a red velvet cake when you take a bite. So if this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a brand new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here are the finished brownies, the red velvet swirl brownies, where we have that delicious red velvet cake brownie batter, and with the cream cheese swirl that goes throughout the brownie, gives you that same effect of the velvet cake with the cream cheese icing. So if that's one of your favorites, you should definitely give this a try. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, And if you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of my next video. You guys take care and happy holidays. Bye guys.